You want to make some extra money on the side, but you don't know how? No worries, I got you. Because in this video I'm going to show you some money making apps that are really easy to use and with which you can make some crazy money with just your phone. If this video helps you out, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into this. Alright, the first app I'm going to show you is a pretty simple survey app with the name of Money App. And as you already can see on the reviews, it's a pretty popular app with also a bunch of good reviews. And it's actually a pretty simple app that just pays you for these little tasks, such as filling out some surveys or, for example, testing some games. Okay, so first of all, the survey part is pretty self-explanatory. You will get some tasks once in a while where you can then fill out some surveys where they ask you a bunch of different questions about a topic, and then you just put in your answers, and that is basically all. The part with the game testing is also really easy because you basically just get asked to test a game and see if there are some bugs, so you will have to play the game for an hour or so. And I mean, if it's a good game, you basically get paid for playing some mobile games, and there's no way to make easier money than that. So with Money App you can definitely make some easy money on the side while you, for example, wait on someone. And the payout system is pretty much like every other survey app. You basically just get these coins for completing these tasks, and when you have enough coins you can exchange it for money and send that to your PayPal account, for example. Alright, next on the list is another survey app, but this one is even better than the first one in my opinion, since it's a survey app directly from Google called Google Opinion Rewards. Why I think this is so great is that it's for sure not a sketchy or scammy app, since it's from a trustworthy company that won't just scam you over a couple of bucks. Also, Google Opinion Rewards pays you out directly in cash and you won't get any in-game coins. You then later, when you have accomplished a big threshold, can pay out. No, you will get cash directly. What is also really convenient about the app is that it's really easy and straightforward to set up. So after you've downloaded the app, you can just quickly sign up, and then you can get right ahead and get started with going through these surveys. So with the app you can already today start making your first dollars. The only thing that is a bit of a problem with the app, and that could be better, I have also read this in a lot of reviews, is that you only get 2 to 5 surveys a week. So that could be a bit more to make some more cash. But I mean, money is money, right? So I'm not gonna complain about only getting that much, because every time when a survey comes you can just get on the app and then complete it and make some money with it. Alright, this next app that works extremely well if you want to make some extra money is called Honey Game. And this is an app where you don't even need to fill out any surveys, you don't need to test any games, you don't have to write any reviews so this app won't take any time out of your day and just runs in the background of your phone and then earns your passive income. All you just have to do is download the app, then agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can just start with getting paid every month. And what the app does is, if you have your phone on, it will run in the background and collect data of your online tendencies, so how you are reacting to specific ads or what type of products you are buying. And they will then take this data they collect and sell that to companies. So how much you're going to earn with this app really depends on how much you really use your phone. But since most of the people watching this probably have crazy screen times, there should be no problem for you to make $20 to $40 a month with this app just running in the background of your phone. And I mean, you don't need to only have this app on your phone. If you, for example, have an iPad, you can also download the app there and also run it there. The only flaw there really is with this app is obviously that they collect a bunch of data. And I know this sounds a bit creepy and things, but what this app won't do is collect any personal data, so it's really only your online tendencies, and I don't know how important that is for you to not be shared. Alright, this next app is a bit different from these survey apps or collect data apps that I've just shown you, but I wanted to include a bunch of different apps from different niches so that there's something for everybody in here. So this app I'm going to talk about is called the Nike Sneakers app. In this app you can get access to limited sneakers, and with a bit of luck you can get access to one of these limited sneakers and then buy it for a low price and then resell it on the secondary market for hundreds or sometimes even thousands more. And while you might think this takes a lot of time, it really doesn't. You just have to download the app and then create an account, obviously, and then you can already take part in these raffles, and just once in a while when a sneaker is released you can just enter the raffle and then with a bit of luck get access to that sneaker. Of course the sneaker community is big and there's a reason for why these sneakers are limited, since so many people want them. But if you just consistently enter these raffles, which by the way doesn't take any fees, so you don't have to pay anything to enter these raffles, you can with a bit of luck get access to the sneakers, buy them for really cheap and then later on resell them. So as I said, what I really like about this app is that it doesn't take any time out of your day. You just have to click in and join these raffles, and then you can even make more money than with all of these other survey apps if you have a bit of luck. The downside to this app, however, is that obviously to buy these sneakers you need some capital, so you need somewhere between $200 and $300 in the beginning to just be able to buy these sneakers. But you're not really spending the money, since it's more of like an investment, since you're almost guaranteed to get that money back and like get even more back out of that investment. So if you buy them for $200 and then sell them for $500, that's obviously $300 profit, which is pretty good. Alright, next on my list I have another money making app that is called Ibotta. This is an app for your phone where you can basically just make some money while shopping. Once in a while we all buy something new, let it be some clothes or some tech stuff. Doing this always costs money and sometimes it really hurts, but with just doing it through this app you will get some money for just buying it in there. So essentially this is a cashback app, if you want to call it that way. There are also a lot of other cashback apps that I haven't tried, but the reason I think this app is so great is that it's not just purchases you do within the app, but there's actually also an option to upload some receipts and then you will get some points for that too. So you don't always need to shop with using a direct link from the app like you do with most of the other cashback apps. And don't get me wrong here, this should not be an encouragement for you to buy a bunch of crap and go spend all of your money, but rather just advise to, if you want to buy something new, just go on the app and look if you can buy it through there, since then you will get something back for your purchase, and essentially that's free cash you wouldn't get if you just buy it on a random website. Alright, so these were basically all the money apps I had for you today to make some extra money on the side. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you will make some extra cash. I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe, and then I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye.